Good morning students. Today we will discuss about density of substance. In almost all the topics you are getting one common term. The density of water is this much and density of stone is this much and density of kerosene is this much, density of milk is this much, density of mercury is this much. Regarding a density of many substances you might have heard. Density of water agli, density of kerosene, density of oil, different substances the density different irtada. Before going to study about density, we need to know about what is density. Density andre yena. Before going to tell the definition of density, just you see how to define density. Density is indicated as by the denotation as rho. Rho is nothing but symbol for density of any substance. It may be oil, mercury, or it is a milk or a wood or any material, any substance. Its density is indicated as rho. What is density? Density is nothing but ratio of mass divided by its volume. Formula of density is density andre ena helukita munche adara formula nodri ena. Density of any substance is equal to ratio of mass to the volume. And here one thing is constant. For example, water is there, H2O, water. What is the density of water? The density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube. This is density of water. What is the meaning of this one? In this formula, what is density? Amount of mass present in 1 meter cube volume of space. This is volume. This is volume. This should be 1 meter cube. V is equal to this should be 1 meter cube. This 1 meter cube irabeka. M is mass. Mass of substance. Mass of given substance. Let us imagine what is the meaning of this one. Let us take this is one bucket. This is one bucket. Let us take this is a bucket. And what is the space inside? That is volume. Volume is equal to 1 meter cube. ಈ ಬಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟದ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟದ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 meter cube. And you fill up full of water. You take a bucket full of water. You just take bucket full of water. What is this? Water. Completely filled up. Condition must be ಈ ಬಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟದ that should be 1 meter cube. Volume is equal to 1 meter cube. Volume is equal to 1 meter cube. This is first example. 1 meter cube ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಈ ಬಕೆಟ್ ಫುಲ್ ಆಗುವವರೆಗೂ ವಾಟರನ್ನು ಫಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯದ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಮೇಜರ್ what is the mass of water, if you measure what is the mass of water present in 1 meter cube volume of bucket, then that mass becomes 1000 kg. What is the meaning? 1 meter cube ಅನ್ನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಆ ವಾಟರ್ದ ಮಾಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ನೀವು ಮೇಜರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗ್ತದ? 1000 kg ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತದ. How much mass of water present in 1 meter cube volume of the bucket. 1 meter cube ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಇರುವಂಥ ಈ ಬಕೆಟದೊಳಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂಥ ವಾಟರ್ದ ಮಾಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ಮೇಜರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗ್ತದ 1000 kg. Therefore density of water is equal to mass of water divided by volume of that bucket. Means how much volume of the water is there totally? That is volume of bucket. What is the mass of total water? That is 1000 kg divided by what is the space inside the bucket? 1 meter cube. Therefore density of water is equal to 1000 kg. M raised to plus 3 becomes minus 3. This is density of water. Density ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತದ 1 ಮೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂಥ ವಾಟರ್ದ ಮಾಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಹೇಳುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿಗೆ ಏನಂತಾರ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ. ಟೇಕ್ ಅನದರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. Second example, let us take a second example. What is that? For example, that is you take mercury as an example. Mercury, this is water. Same bucket you take here. Same bucket you take here. Fill the bucket completely. Fill the bucket completely. What is this one? This is mercury. What is the space inside? 1 meter cube. This is equal to volume. ಒಳಗಡೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಬಕೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೋರಿ, ಸೇಮ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಇರುವಂಥ ಬಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟದ 1 meter cube ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಮೆರ್ಕ್ಯೂರಿ. ದ ಬಕೆಟ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಸ್ ದಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 1 meter cube ಸೈಜ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಈಸ್ 1 meter cube ಸೈಜ್. 1 meter cube ಅನ್ನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮರ್ಕ್ಯೂರಿ ಅದ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಮರ್ಕ್ಯೂರಿದ ಮಾಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟದ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ನೀವು ಮೇಜರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ how much mass you are getting? You are getting the mass is equal to 13,600 kg of mass of mercury. ಸೇಮ್ ಬಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಆಗುವವರೆಗೂ ವಾಟರನ್ನು ಫಿಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಆ ವಾಟರ್ದ ಮಾಸನ್ನು ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, 1000 kg ಬರ್ತದೆ ವಾಟರ್ದ ಮಾಸ್. ಅದ ಬಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗುವವರೆಗೂ ಮರ್ಕ್ಯೂರಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಅದರ ಮಾಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಮಾಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದ 13,600 kg. Therefore density of mercury is equal to how much mass is there? 13,600 kg divided by ಒಳಗಡೆ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟದ 1 meter cube. Then what is the density of mercury? Density of mercury is equal to 13,600 kg per meter cube. This is the density of ಮೆರ್ಕ್ಯೂರಿ. 1 meter ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂಥ ವಾಟರ್ದ ಮಾಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅದೇ ಬಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನೀವು ಮೆರ್ಕ್ಯೂರಿನ ಫುಲ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆ ಮೆರ್ಕ್ಯೂರಿದ ಮಾಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ. 1 meter ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಯಾವ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ದ ಮಾಸ ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟೈತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಹೇಳುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರ? ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ. different substance have different masses in the same volume, that is 1 meter cube volume. In 1 meter cube volume of bucket, the different substances having different masses that can be studying or expressing by one of the physical quantity. That physical quantity is called as density. Take one more third example. What is the third example? Let us take aluminum. This is liquid form. Aluminum in taken liquid form. Let us take the same bucket. Completely fill up with aluminum. This is aluminum. ಈ ಬಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ ಆಗುವವರೆಗೆ ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಂ ತಗೋರಿ. ಒಳಗಡೆ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟದ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ 1 ಮೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬಕೆಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್. ಅವಾಗ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಂ ಅದ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನೀವು ಮಾಸನ್ನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಂ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2700 kg. Therefore density of aluminum is equal to mass is this much divided by 1 meter cube. Then mass of aluminum, density of aluminum is equal to 2700 kg per meter cube. ಈ ಬಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗುವವರೆಗೂ ವಾಟರ್ ತಗೋರಿ, ಆ ವಾಟರ್ದ ಮಾಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟಿರ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಬಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಬಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗುವವರೆಗೂ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಮರ್ಕ್ಯೂರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ measure the mass of mercury, you are getting this much. In the same bucket you take full of aluminum and find out the mass of the aluminum, then you are getting this much. And take one more example, that is sea water, not a normal water, sea water andre samudರದ ನೀರು ತಗೋರಿ. The same bucket, this is sea water, this is 1 meter cube volume, this is sea water. Then sea water density is equal to, if you check the mass of sea water you are getting 1030 kg. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ, 1 ಮೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ sea water is equal to 1030 kg per meter cube. Or another example 5, take the same bucket, full of bucket, you can take blood. What is the size of the bucket? 1 meter cube. Then if you check density, if you check the mass of blood, 806 kg you are getting. 806 in 1 meter cube volume. Or else instead of blood you can take it as ethyl alcohol, or you can take blood. For blood, the mass of blood becomes 060 kg in 1 meter cube. Therefore density of blood is equal to 1060 kg per meter cube. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅದ 1 ಮೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ, ಇನ್ 1 ಮೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ the different substance having different mass, that is given by a quantity called density. Density ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತದ, what is density, what it is telling us, what is the density? The density is nothing but it is a quantity. That density tells us, it tells us a mass of a different substance present in 1 meter cube volume. 1 meter cube volume ಒಳಗಡೆ different substance the mass ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ತದ, how much mass there are the different substances having in a space in a volume of 1 meter cube, that is called as density. Or you can define in another way, density is a ratio of mass by volume. Mass by volume is called as a density. First case, water, ಇದು complete, just you take the water till it fill up completely. Bucket size is 1 meter cube. How much mass of water is there? 1000 kg exactly. And take out this water and fill up mercury inside this bucket until it complete. Space is same again. But if you check the mass of mercury, how much mass of mercury you are getting? 13,600 kg. Therefore it is the density of water, this is density of mercury. And here same, remove the mercury and fill up aluminum in that bucket till complete. Same size of the bucket, 1 meter cube volume. If you check the mass of aluminum, the mass of the aluminum becomes 2700 kg. Therefore mass is this much in 1 meter cube. 2700 kg per meter cube is the density of aluminum. Again remove this aluminum and fill up sea water in the bucket. ಸೇಮ್ ಬಕೆಟ್ ತಗೋರಿ, ಅದ್ರಾಗ sea water ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, ಸಮುದ್ರದ ನೀರನ್ನು ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, ಫಿಲ್ ಆಗುವವರೆಗೂ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, ಸೇಮ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಅದ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಚೆಕ್ the mass of this sea water, how much you are getting? 1030 kg in 1 meter cube. 1 meter cube ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ sea water ದ ಮಾಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ತದ, 1 meter cube ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಮ್ದ ಮಾಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ತದ, 1 meter cube ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ವಾಟರ್ದ ಮಾಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ತದ, 1 meter cube ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬ್ಲಡ್ದ ಮಾಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ತದ, 1 meter cube ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮರ್ಕ್ಯೂರಿದ ಮಾಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ತದ. different substance having different masses in 1 meter cube of volume. Therefore density is the word tells us how much mass there are the different substances having in 1 meter cube volume. Once again, what is density? Density it measures the mass present in 1 meter cube volume. Density measures the mass present in 1 meter cube volume. Density ಏನನ್ನ ಮೇಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ? 1 ಮೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು ಮಾಸ ಐತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಮೇಜರ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೇನಂತಾರ? ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ. ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್? ದ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಈಸ್ kg per meter cube. It is important. And density andra that is different for different materials or substances. Therefore please remember density of these mercury, water, aluminum, blood, sea water, you please remember, that is important for you. Okay, thank you.